Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to display employees designation and salary between age from HR data. Here are employees data. You can see here, and I want to generate this report where employees name, designation, age and salary will display. And I also want to show data between age 20 to 30. How can we display this report through pivot table? Just go to the employees data and select all your data first and go to the insert and click pivot table and click OK. Now pivot table option will display. Now drag the employee's name into the rows. It will display all the employees' name. And drag the designation, it will display designation. And drag the age below to the designation. Now drag the salary to the sum values. It will display the salaries. I just click anywhere in pivot table and go to the design and select the report layout, show in tabular form. And now I want to remove the subtotal. Just click here subtotal and don't show subtotal. And I don't want to show grand total, just click grand total and off for rows and column. And I want to insert a blank row on each employee. Just click here blank row and insert blank line after each item. It will insert the blank row on each employee. You can see here. Now I will apply the filter in age. Just click here and click the label filter and select the between and type here 20 and 30 because I want to show employees data between age 20 to 30 and click OK. It will display the employees data between age 20 to 30. That's way you can generate this report. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.